Hi, I'm Rachel, and welcome to my channel, La Bricoleuse. In this video, I'm going to show you how I clean the rust off of an antique piece of cast iron equipment and restore it to a shiny black, like new state.
This is a piece of cast iron equipment called a cobbler's anvil. I use it in the process of adding a rubber layer to leather-soled shoes for stage use in order to make them compliant with the Actors' Equity Union Agreement. Because of its weight, the shipping cost for a cobbler's anvil can be cost prohibitive. However, you can find rusty old ones at antique malls and junk shops for quite affordable prices. I'll show you how to remove that rust and care for your anvil using common household cleaning supplies like steel wool and Dawn dishwashing liquid. I'll clean this anvil in a basin of soapy water, and I'm using 2 pads of fine steel wool. I fully saturate the steel wool in the soapy water and then begin to gently scrub all surfaces of the anvil. Now I've speeded up the film here, but in actual time, this probably took about 45 minutes. Notice how I occasionally dip the steel wool back in the water to dislodge some of the rust that I've removed from the anvil. Also notice how I'm moving the anvil around in order to access all sides of the surfaces. Don't forget to pay special attention to the different crevices and ridges of the anvil's surface. The first time I derusted one of these, I thought I was completely finished, rinsed it off, and put it in the sun to dry, and discovered after it was dry that I had missed a tiny patch of rust in what I guess you could call the crotch of the anvil, and I had to make a new bath, get a new piece of steel wool, and repeat this process, paying particular attention to the patch of rust that I had completely missed the first time. Look how rusty my water is getting at this point. That's how I know I'm succeeding at removing the majority of that flaky rust that exists on an antique anvil of this sort. Now I'll take that anvil out of the bath and dump the rusty water. Here it is, freshly rinsed and still wet. In order for it to dry quickly, I'll put it outside in the sun. Now that it has fully dried, you can see a residual rusty patina on some areas of the anvil. To bring out that beautiful shiny black cast iron finish, wipe the rust patina away with a solution of 3 parts water and 1 part white vinegar. Then rub oil into the surface of the anvil to bring out the shine. I used canola oil, but you can use any type of oil like linseed or machine oil or whatever you prefer. That rusty old anvil looks brand new now. You can use this method to restore any kind of cast iron, like these antique school desks or this cast iron stove.